welcome back to my channel once again. And this video is going to be making a second video of our channel this year. So before we start, we want to give God the glory and all the thanks. And today we are going to be looking into another great and opportunity that is out for us to use. This is not going to be an airdrop. This is going to be an investment, a business and opportunity that if you take it serious now, before 4 to 5 years that are going to come, you're going to be having a lot of money. And this opportunity that we are seeing, I'm introducing you now, is called the Coresage. And before we go into Coresage, we are going to be looking into Core native token because we are going to be using Core. And I'm going to be making this video is going to be a bit long because I'm going to be showing you on how to move your phone from your decentralized exchange. Like maybe if you want to transfer your coin, or how to get the Core and transfer it to your Bitget wallet or MetaMask or any of your Web3 wallets. So I'm going to be showing you on this video. So without wasting much of your time, let us go into the video. So here is the core that we are going to be looking into, and there's a few things I want us to look into over here. So if you come over to this place here, you can see they say that that core is the native token of core blockchain. Yes, they have their blockchain and it's a layer 1 network. Yes, and it's a layer 1 network, and as we can see over here, it was used in the Satoshi app. So that is just that for that. And if you come over to this place over here, you can see that you say that the core mainnet official went live on January 14, 2023. So this is just this. If you want to read more, I'm going to be dropping all this information for you. You're going to be seeing it. So let's now go into the courses that we are here. So like earlier on said, to do this you need to have your Web3 wallet, which you can have your MetaMask or your OKS wallet, but in this video I'm going to be using my OKS wallet. So the next thing over here is just for you to go straight to your OKS wallet. Once you come to your OKS wallet or any of your Web3 wallets, first thing that you need to do over to this place over here is to the first thing is to have your core in your wallet over here. And as you can see, I'm having my core in my wallet, but in your own case you're going to be having a core that's going to be worth $8, a core that is going to worth $8. As you can see over here, in my case I'm having only a core that worth $5, but you're going to be having a core that is going to be worth $8. So the next thing over here, before you even fund your wallet with your core, the first thing that you have to do is over here is to come to this place that you see manage crypto over here, because in your own case, if you log into your account, you're not going to be seeing the core over there. You need to add it to this place over here. So once you click over to this place, click over to it this way, the next thing you just have to come to this place, to this search button over here, and you're just going to search core. And once you search your core, the next thing is going to display for you on the screen, and this is it over here. You're going to be seeing the plus button. As this plus is over here, you're going to be seeing this plus. You're going to be pressing on the plus to add it. If you press on this minus, then you're going to remove it now. So after doing that, now the next thing that you need to do over here, after adding this core to this place, the next thing that you need to do over here is to come to this place, tap on it this way, and once you tap on it this way, it's going to open for you. And the next thing that you're going to do over here is to click on this receive, or you can click on this button, that is this two button that is over here, to copy it. And once you copy it, now the next thing for you to do now is to head over to your wallet to send the funds in your. So in my own case over here in this video, I'm going to be using my Bitget wallet to show you how to send your calls over here. So the next thing, once you come over to here, is to click on your Bitget wallet this way. You're going to give it time for it to load and open. So once it's open, like how my one is opening over here, maybe you're on your own case now, you're going to be having forms over here. But in my own case now, so I'm using this video, there's no forms over here. If in case you don't have funds, I don't want to do P2P with anybody, you just want to do P2P on this house, you don't want to do P2P over here, all you just need to do over to this place is for you to click on this place, see P2P trading. Just come over to this place, click on monitor this way, give it time for it to load and open. Then in this case, if you open this way, over here, you just need to click to this place that is the amount over here and just type in 13,000. If in case you're in Nigeria, this is for those that are in Nigeria, type in 13,000, then just click OK over to this place. Sorry, that is from selling. You just have to come to this place that they say buying. It's not from selling, just come to buying over to this place. And once you come to buying, just come over to straight to this amount over here. You have the option here to choose any payment. You can either choose any of your bank over here if you want to do bank transfer or pay, all those ones. But if you can choose all. In my case, I'm going to go with all, so that all the options are going to come. So once they come over to display, the next thing for me to do is to come over to display this amount over here. I want to come over to display this amount over here, just write in 13,000. Once you write in 13,000, you're going to click on the confirm. So they are going to be displaying people that are going to be selling according to the amount they have put. And as you can see here, $1 is 1,476 naira. That is in Nigeria. If in case you're in Nigeria, this video here is for you. So once you just click on this buy over to this place, as you can see, you have already, okay, let me see. Okay, let's go to the second person. Okay, yes, as you can see over to this place, the second person, as you have put in 13,000 naira, 13,000 is going to be giving you $8, 8.80 cents. So you're going to be having 8.80 cents. So all you just need to do over here is you just click on this place that they say buy over here. If you click on buy over here, you're going to be going to the P2P trading over here. I don't want to click on buy because I'm not. Let me just try. Once you click on buy over to this place, to give awareness to those that don't know, once you come to this place over here, you're going to be reading more about the information here, so that you understand what you need to do over to this place. As you can see in this case, the person say here, do not send from Kuda. That means you're not supposed to use Kuda bank to send funds to this account. So you need to read all those information. All you just need to do over here is you just copy that. The next thing here, okay, once you're done with reading the information, you just need to come to this place, they say copy, and copy the phone number. So once you copy the phone number, the next thing you need to take note is you're going to take note of your of the bank, which is the bank brand, which is this person using PalmPay. You know that you need that is PalmPay. You need to take note of the name also, Michael. In this case, you can see Michael. So you're going to be seeing it over there. So once you're done over there, the next thing you just need to do is to click over to this place that you say confirm, to confirm that you have made the payment. If you want to talk to the seller before buying, you can just come over to this place. They say contact seller. Just click over here and you're going to just chat with him. So as you can see over here, already the seller have a message for you. They say pay and receipt. So you need to send payment and the receipt. Once you pay, and you're going to drop the receipt over to this place over here. And once you have done the payment and drop the receipt over here, the transfer is finished. The transaction is finished. It's going to show you successful, and your funds are going to be migrated to your account. Once you come back to your account, the next you just need to come over to this place. Click on this place, they say asset over here. Once you click on the asset over to this place, this video is going to be a bit long. I just want to break anything off, especially for the novice. Okay, so once you come over to this place, you're going to see the $8 that you have in your wallet. You're going to be seeing to this place that they say convert over here. You just need to click on it. So once you click on it this way, it's going to be displaying like this for you. All you just need to do here is for you to just click on this arrow, that this two dot that is here, to swap USDT up. Then the next thing over to this place, I'm just going to be clicking on here. on this BTC, click on BTC, come over to this place and type in your call. Okay, type in your call this way, and it's going to be displaying for you over here, and this is the call over here. You're going to click on it, and it's going to appear here. Then you, in case if you, in this case I don't have USDT, but in your case you're going to have USDT, you're just going to put in the number of the USDT, which is 8, marking everything. If you have 8 that will bought, marking everything, then you're going to do everything, and once you do everything, it's going to be in your account, and you're going to send it out to the OKS wallet that you've copied. So once you copy, send, let's assume that you have sent everything out. So now once you come back to your wallet that you have transfer your money to, in your case you're going to be seeing $8 over here, but this place that seems to show me, you're going to be seeing $8. And once you have reached here, you're going to be copy the link that is going to be displayed under the description of this video. Copy the link, and once you copy the link, come over to this place, come to this place that says explore here. And once you come to this place, click on it, and once you click on it, you just need to paste in the link over to this place that says search. And once you paste in the link, click on enter. So once you come over to this place, sorry, so once you come to this place, sorry, there's something I want to show you, but it don't want to show. So once you click on, let me just, once you come to this place, the next thing you have to do over here, you see this place that is showing you 60 over here, just click on it. You are just going to verify. I don't want to show. Once you verify, you just need to click on this place that is over here. So once you click on this place that is over here, you just click on it. That is already registered everything. It's going to take you to this place, and once you click on it, you have to, the next thing, you just have to come to this place that is say claim reward now. And you're going to be claiming it here over every 24 hours. You're going to be claiming it, and there are some other taxes over here also that you need to be upgrading. But all these upgrades that are here are going to be coming in my next video that I'm going to be doing. So for this, for now, this is just this for now. So once you do everything, you just need to come into this place, know that you have registered, and the next thing is for you to be claiming your reward. And whatsoever you claim, you're going to be seeing it in your own personal wallet over here. It's going to be going automatically. You don't need to claim it then claim again. Once you claim, it's going to be going to your wallet. Now, as you can see over here, if you come to this place that is over here, come here, click on here. So I just want to show you an example. So now whatsoever you claim, okay, whatsoever you claim inside the app is going to be displaying over here. So you can see it's going to be displaying over to this place. You're going to be seeing it in your wallet. That is what I just mean. You're going to be seeing it directly from your wallet. Then from here now, you can see you can sell or you can hold. And as you can see, this coin is pumping. If you come over to this place, as you can see, it's pumping, it's going up, coming down, going up, coming down. That is to show you that this coin have potentials. So for now, this is just going to be all about this video for now. The links are going to be under the description of this video. And as times go on, we are going to be continuing with other activities that are going to be there. I'm going to be showing you other activities on how you're going to be earning more. You understand? As times go, I'm going to be showing all that. And please do well by joining my Telegram channel. If you can chat me on WhatsApp, you chat me. If you have any challenge, chat me on Telegram or my WhatsApp. I'm going to reply to you ASAP. See you in our next video.